Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today, where I'll be doing final tests on Jake's AcuTron 2 controller for his pellet stove. Jake sent me this one because the controller was not responsive to some of the inputs from the keypad, and he also had questions about connecting a thermostat to it. With respect to the thermostat, I will say that my experience level with these controllers is not that high, and even after reading the manual and doing some experimentation, I have not been able to make this thermostat control the controller, so to speak. So I'm sorry, Jake, I don't have an answer for you with respect to how to make this controller interact with the thermostat. As you can see, I have Jake's controller connected to my tester right now. My tester is made up of a few items. I have an actual thermostat here. I have a faceplate with an actual auger motor mounted on it. The shaft from the auger motor comes out the front, and I have a decal on the shaft. That will allow us to see the shaft spinning in the video. My tester also has 4 light bulbs. These light bulbs simulate the features of your stove. The first one simulates the igniter, the combustion fan, the auger motor, and finally, with the red decal on it, the convection or room fan. I'll note that whenever this controller calls for the auger to drive, we should see the auger cycle light here come on. We'll see this decal spin. In the video, you'll hear the auger motor drive, and we should see this light come on all at the same time. As I noted, I have the controller connected to my tester. It is powered up in off mode, so the combustion fan timer has elapsed, and we see that the combustion light is off and no lights are on. I'll press the on switch to start things off, and we'll see a few lights in the back come on. There we go. We see the auger drive come on, we hear the auger motor spinning, we saw the decal, and the light came on. Additionally, we see the igniter come on, and the igniter lamp is on, and the combustion or room fan is on. We also see that we have one blinking light at number 3. The first thing I'm going to go through is setting the 3 different configurations for this controller. You can do that by pressing on the off switch, and as I do that, we see all the lights come on, and then it goes to 3, 4, that's one mode, and then 1, 2 will be the next mode, and then if I leave it this way, it'll go to 1 and 4. And I'll leave it in that mode because that is the standard manual mode. These notes here on the controller faceplate apply to that mode. So if I go ahead and turn it on, we see that we have the number 3 light blinking, and the auger motor drove for a second, the igniter is on, and everything is normal. I'm able to press the start button and cycle through the 4 different feed rate ranges. If I leave it in 1, we'll see that the auger will work normally. Just have to wait for an auger cycle time to come on. There it is. And the same as if I go up to 4. So that's working normally. The other thing I can check right now is the fan speed button that will cause the convection fan to come on. So let's do that. We see the light came on low, and I can cycle through that, medium, low, medium, and high. And as I did that, we see the intensity of the light bulb change slightly. So there we have it, Jake. Your controller is fully functional. I'm sorry that I've not been able to figure out how to make this thermostat work with your controller, but that is not something I generally do. As an addition to Jake's video, I wanted to cycle through the 3 different configuration modes and cycle the thermostats on and off to show that I'm not able to make it work. So first of all, if I cycle through the modes, I'll go to the 1-4 mode first. There it is, 1-4 mode. And I'm not calling for heat with the thermostat, so let me change that on. As I call for heat, I don't see any effect on the controller at all. Let me turn it on, just to make sure. So that's the thermostat off, and I get no effect at all. So let me turn that off, and let's go to the 1-2 mode. There we are in 1-2 mode. Cycle the thermostat. No changes. Let me turn it on just to make sure. So no status change there at all. Let me turn that off. And I'll go to the 3-4 mode. Here we are. Cycle the thermostat. No changes at all. I'll turn it on. Thermostat's off. Calling for heat. Off. Calling for heat. Off. Calling for heat. Off. So no changes at all in any of the 3 different configurations. So if any of you viewers have any idea how this should function, please let me know. I would appreciate that. Additionally, this controller has a double-decker board on it, which I have never seen in the past. So if you have any idea what that's all about, I'd appreciate knowing as well. So there we are, Jake. Your controller is fully functional. I do want to thank you for sending it to me. I appreciate that. I'm just sorry I'm not able to figure out how to make the thermostat work with it. Perhaps if you consulted the dealer, they may be of more assistance to you. For all you viewers out there, if you have a pellet stove controller of your own that needs repairs, please feel free to contact me. My contact information can be found in the video description just below this video. I do hope that you'll take the time to give this video a thumbs up. That would be nice. And subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.